Dear students, today we will start a new chapter, chapter number 15. The title of the chapter is Biodiversity and its Conservation. First of all, let us try to understand the word biodiversity. Diversity is the vividity or the varieties. If it is found there in biology, then it can be called biodiversity. Biodiversity, that is the varieties which are found there in biology. Biology is concerned with plants and animals. So far as heterogeneity is concerned, then the word heterogeneity is almost having the same meaning of biodiversity, but the diversity is in immense. That is, if diversity found in immense, then that diversity is called heterogeneity. So far as the biosphere, our biosphere is concerned, in northern hemisphere it is rich than that of the southern hemisphere. Sociologist whose name was Edward Wilson, we coined the word biodiversity and capitalized it. Now the immense diversity, that is in all levels of biological organism. Biological organism, that is from cells, tissues, organs and organ systems. It is ranging from macromolecules to biomass. That is, the diversity is found in almost all the steps of the biological existence. Now, let us have a discussion regarding its kind. The very first is genetic diversity. Single species have high diversity at genetic levels over its distributional range. Now, for example, Ruophia, Vermontonia, that is in Gujarati it is called Sarpaganda. It is almost found there in the Himalayan ranges, in the towns of the active chemicals, as it is found there in the Sarpaganda or Ruophilia. The active chemical is nestatin. So more than 50,000 kinds of pillars are found there in India, and more than 1,000 kinds of flamingos are there in India. So we don't know so many diversities already existed in India. Now the second one is the species diversity. See, the diversity which is found at the species level is called species diversity. For example, amphibians are more found in western Ghat than that of the eastern Ghat. Amphibians are the animals, those who can live and live their life both in water and on soil too. Now the third one is ecological diversity. So far as the ecological are concerned, you may have seen so many varieties, like desert of Kachcharan, so far as India is concerned. Now rainforests which are there found in the Assam or Meghalaya, mangroves which are found there near the Sundarban of the West Bengal, coral reefs like Maldives, Lakshadweep, and wetlands, mostly they are rich with the water, terraces and alpine meadows. So alpine meadows are the meadows which are there found on the some higher range, which is more than Scandinavian in Norway. Biodiversity at international viewpoint, let us see why the biodiversity is necessary. So the richness resulted after millions of years of the evolution. Biodiversity concerned, it is not just the result of 1 or 2 decades, but it is the result of the millions of the years of evolution. Evolution, that is, which is procured by all the animals and plants. The wealth may be lost within 2 centuries. See, millions of years may be lost within 10 centuries if we don't take care of it. And the third one is the biodiversity has critical importance as far as survival is concerned, then biodiversity is much more necessitated. Now let us have some discussion regarding the species on the earth. According to International Union IUCN, total numbers of the plants and animals are more than 1.5 billion. It is just estimation only. Then out of this 1.5 billion, only 70 to 80 lakhs have been discovered so far. Still 50 lakhs to 5 crore are yet to be discovered and yet to be described. So it's a wide range. The species inventory is more complete in temperate region. Temperate region, that is the region which is there on the latitudinal measurements of 23.5 degree to 66.5 degree. Then those of the tropical. So far as tropical area is concerned, there is a vast range of the biodiversity. The insects group is almost about 20 to 50 millions according to MAIS. It is more specific diversity is 70 million. Now let's approximate number of the specific of the major taxa of the plants, invertebrates and vertebrates. So now it can be easily understood that the numbers of the insects are more than expected than those of who are at the higher range. Out of 100%, 70% are only animals: algae, fungi, bryophytes, gymnosperms, angiosperms. Total does not exceed than 22%. That is, from this view of the point, the insect is the richest diversity on the earth. Now, fungi species almost more than total numbers of amphibians, reptiles and mammalians. So far as prokaryotes are concerned, then no estimation can be done because numbers of the prokaryotes are not certain. Some of the species are yet to be discovered. As we have been going on, the discovery is ahead than the estimated richness. And one more thing is very much necessary to understand that some of the prokaryotes may not be cultured in the lab atmosphere because the condition is not reliable for them. So this is the varieties of the species on the earth. Earlier we have seen the level of biodiversity on the earth. Now, so far as our country India is concerned, let us see what is the position of biodiversity in India. That is, approximately 2.4% of the world area is India has got it. So it is a large country or the big country. Global specific the diversity is approximately 8% of the total of the world. India is one of the 12 mega diversity possessed country. So far as India is concerned, it is right from 8 north altitude to 37 north altitude. So it has got the variety of the climatic condition, and that is why India itself is a mega country having large or the variety of the biodiversity. According to the MAIS global estimate, approximately 45,000 plants are recorded in India. So the species of 45,000 are recorded till date. Moreover, the species of animals which are recorded is 90,000. So you may see the higher figure upon which our biodiversity is reached can easily be estimated. Still, more than 1 lakh swans species and more than 3 lakhs animal species are yet to be discovered in India. So it is just for the estimation, and the description will later on be done after having discovered. So before completion of the inventory, now if you wish to have inventory of the record of the biodiversity, before the completion of some of the species or a large fraction of the species have threat of becoming extinction. So this is the ration position of the India having biodiversity.